Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest economic news that's got everyone talking. From President Trump's tariff war to the Federal Reserve's big moves, or lack thereof, things are heating up in the U.S. economy. Inflation's climbing, growth slowing, and consumers are feeling the pinch. So what does it all mean? Stick around as we break it down. Let's start with a big story. Tariffs. Just a few months into his term, President Trump has slapped hefty tariffs on major trading partners like Canada, Mexico, and China. His goal? Protect U.S. jobs, curb illegal immigration, and tackle fentanyl trafficking. But here's the catch. Economists are warning this could backfire. Bloomberg reports that these tariffs are shaking up the $24 trillion global trade market, with countries like China threatening high tariffs in retaliation. What's the impact? Prices for everyday goods, like cars and whiskey, are already spiking. Experts estimate vehicle prices could jump by $4,000 to $12,500. And Tennessee distillers are sounding the alarm about an economic domino effect. Meanwhile, consumers are bracing for a hit to their wallets as inflation creeps up. Next up, the Federal Reserve. This week, Fed Chair Jerome Powell announced they're keeping interest rates steady at around 4.3%. Why? They're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Inflation's not budging. It's now expected to hit 2.8% in 2025, up from earlier forecasts, and Trump's tariffs might push it even higher. At the same time, the Fed slashed its growth outlook from 2.1% to 1.7% this year. Powell admitted there's high uncertainty thanks to these trade policies. The Fed's plan? Wait and see. They're still eyeing 2 rate cuts this year, but some analysts, like Morgan Stanley's Michael Gapin, say that's looking tricky with inflation moving sideways. Could we be heading for stagflation, a mix of stagnant growth and rising prices? Investors are worried, and a Bank of America survey found 71% of fund managers think it's a real risk. And then there's us, the consumers. Retail Dive reports a horrific plunge in consumer sentiment, the lowest since November 2022. Why? Uncertainty. Between tariffs, stubborn inflation, and a shaky economic outlook, people are losing confidence fast. The University of Michigan survey shows folks are worried about their finances, jobs, and even the stock market. Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan says spending's still up 6% from last year, but with prices rising and borrowing costs stuck high, think 6.67% on a 30-year mortgage. Household budgets are getting squeezed. Are we spending our way through the storm, or is a slowdown coming? That's the big question. So, where do we go from here? Trump's tariff experiment is a high-stakes gamble. Some say it's working, with early reports of manufacturing jobs ticking up, but the broader picture looks shaky. The Fed's playing it safe, and consumers are on edge. The OECD even cut global growth forecasts, warning that trade wars could drag us all down. What do you think? Will this spark a recession, or is it just growing pain for a stronger economy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.